This is a tremendous turnout here at the Coastland Center Mall. We expect to feed about 600 households today with groceries. It comes at such a great time, just 15 days before Christmas. People are still having a tough time with grocery bills, being able to put meals on the table. So we're able to do this with Harry Chapin Food Bank today, and Greater Good Music is helping out. Live Fest is helping out. So it's a great day with a lot of people coming together to help feed a lot of people.
It's really important for us to be here in the community and come alongside the people who are in recovery. We have so many things coming together this year on this side of the pandemic, inflation, and then in a disaster zone with a hurricane. Food insecurity is one of the first things that comes up.
Live Fest is donating proceeds. Brad Paisley is also donating proceeds. So is Jake Owen, and so is 38 Special.